Okay, on this pattern, one of the first problems people have when they're reading it is understanding the round 3 of the joining row. But to join it, what we got to look at is the diamond has a chain 3 on the side of it right here, and a chain 1 between each group of 3 double crochet, and then the point here and here, each long point has 5 chains. So what we're doing is when you single crochet to join it to the other piece, that counts as one of those chains. So in the side, instead of chaining 3, you're chaining 1, single crocheting in the previous piece, chain 1 again, and then you go back into the working piece, make your group of 3, and instead of chaining 1 here, you're single crocheting back into your previous piece, and you do that the same here. And then, so when you join at the point, okay, your first diamond will have a chain 5. Joining your second diamond, you chain 2, single crochet in the chain 5 space, and then chain 2 more, and then you work back into your point. And then you go up this side just the same way you did on this side, where you just finish your diamond. But when you wedge in, that it'll be a little different. So, but then you put on your third diamond. It's still a little different. Your third diamond, you join it the same way you did your second, but then when you get up to the chain 5 loop, you chain 2 and single crochet into the single crochet that you joined the previous 2 together with, and you go into the side of that stitch, and then you finish your diamond the same way you did before. When you do that again until you get down to the 6th one. The 6th one, see if I can find the right one. I think it's this one. You have to wedge it in. Okay, so when you join your 6th one, you do it the same way you have before, except for when you get up to the point, you chain 1, single crochet into the joining of the first of the previous 2. Into that single crochet into the side, and then you chain 1, and then you go over to this first diamond that you had made, and you single crochet into that joining. You come back and you finish the 3 double crochet in the chain 4 space, and then you go and you single crochet into that diamond, make your 3, single crochet, and then you finish your diamond, and you'll slip stitch into your chain 3 and end it off. So that's how you join your center diamonds. If this is not clear enough to you, you can go to the video where I show in more detail step by step how to do it. Now we're going to talk about when you join in the next color, which is the print or whatever you have substituted for it. And these you join in just like you did for your center, except for you want to make sure you're oriented right with the positioning of your diamonds. So what you do is you lay out your center piece, and then before you put your diamond in, you're thinking, okay, well, I'm going to have to join it to this edge, and the point is going to have to come right here. So you kind of lay your diamond down. Let's just pretend this is one that we just finished, and you lay it down, and if this was the one you just made, you would join starting at your side and then up to the point, and then you'd finish your diamond. And then your next one, let me show you, would be wedged in the same way you did your final diamond on your center. And what I did on mine is I single crocheted it into the joining of the previous diamond at the tip, same way I've done before. So this is pretty much repetitious the whole way, and what way I've done it is I would do, you know, 2, then these 2, back it out. You know, these 2, these 2, these 2, these 2, and these 2, and go around clockwise, joining them in. And then on your next color, which is in this case is the light tan, I would start by wedging in between the 2 patterns where you have to join on 2 sides, and do that all the way around, and that would make like a star. And then after that, then put in your flying geese, you know, where you would do this one and then this one, and then skip over and do this one and then this one. Don't join these 2 together, because when you wedge in your green, you're not going to want them to be together. So, and here again, this video is for more advanced crocheters who just want to be clarified on where you join your pieces. So if you need more details, you go to my other how-to videos and the crochet-along that I'm making to make this Afghan. So, and then when you get this far, it's going to look like a star. I don't know if you can see it right. Pull back. Alright. So now when we're going to make the cream colored diamonds, they're going to be going in a different direction. The side is going to join in here, and your points are going to be here and here. So all your diamonds are going to be turned opposite way of the way they are now. Instead of pointing toward the center, they'll be pointing toward the points of the star you have finished. So I sure hope this makes it easier for y'all to put this one together. Mine's not laying flat because I didn't join it right in the center of this one. I did it on this one the right way, because I got in a hurry and I didn't read my directions. So that's why it's pulling in the center and not laying flat. But it will if you do it the way I did on this one. So happy crocheting!